This is so cool. Look how tall these walls are. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. All right, here we go. Swift moving water, and this is freaking awesome. Just getting started on the Kanarraville Falls hike, and not sure how the audio is going to be today. I'll try to take what I can. I don't have all the mic and stuff connected to our GoPro because we're expecting to get wet. So I've got it all sealed up for waterproofness. So I apologize for any audio issues, but hope you enjoy the hike. So if you're going to hike Kanarraville Falls, you do have to have a permit, and you have to buy the permit ahead of time. We're strongly recommended anyway. Looks like they sell about 150 a day, and you go to their site. We put a link in the description below, and you can just basically capture the email on your phone, and they'll scan your phone, and then you're good to go. It's pretty easy to get in and get started on the hike. But definitely make sure you get your permit ahead of time. So strongly recommended to wear water shoes and some type of water sock, either a merino wool or neoprene sock. We're going to test out some merino wool socks, see how that goes. Time to get our feet wet, literally. Brr. All right, let's see how cold she thinks it is.
I barely feel the water, actually.
Yeah, it's really not bad at all.
I didn't get too much of it down in my socks.
That's good. So this trail is listed as a moderate hike, and anywhere between 3 and 4 miles, depending on if you go to the lower falls or if you continue on to the upper falls. And then we've read that you can actually go past the upper falls, but eventually it turns into more of a technical area where you need ropes and gear and special skills to be able to get beyond it. So I'm not sure how far we'll go today, but hopefully at least make it to the upper falls and get a good view of this place. It's supposed to be beautiful. The trail kind of splits off right as you reach the stream, and you can walk down to the stream and check it out, or you can take the fork to the left that kind of goes up the hill and continue on up the trail. And I'm wondering, you can probably hike the stream too. I bet they converge at some point, but we'll see. So we just ran into another group of hikers, and they said that there's actually 3 waterfalls on this trail. So the 2 that are mapped, the lower and upper, and then if you go to the very end where you can't go any further, there's actually a 3rd. And they said we'll get some amazing pictures, so I cannot wait to see it. I'm super excited. This has been on our list to do since we moved to Utah and found out about this place. Sweet little water slide.
Yeah.
Right after we crossed the water, the trail got a little confusing because it's hard to tell if this is a wash area or the trail, but I think we're on the trail still. We'll find out. It's highly recommended to use All Trails and download the trail before you come out here, because this is kind of a maze of little offshoots and side trails, and I'm sure depending on the water level it could change, you know, which trail you need to take to get where. But we just got a little bit off trail, so we're trying to get back on trail, and I think we're gonna head up here. All right, into the water we go. Maybe we're not going in the water yet. All right, water attempt number 3. We're sticking with the water from now on. I guess there's lots of options to get in. We probably should have just stayed in when we first got to the water, but live and learn. Water feels good, actually. I thought it'd be colder than this. Feels really good.
And now it's like down in my shoe.
Oh yeah?
But before that really wasn't.
Oh, because you've got waterproof shoes. Or are these not your waterproof?
Yeah, these are waterproof shoes.
Oh, okay, that's why. I think we finally made it to the mouth of the canyon. You can feel the canyon breeze. Oh, this is going to be so sweet. I'm super excited. Cannot wait to get out there. This is so pretty already. So you probably don't want to go up that. But there's a little trail over here. That'd be quite the challenge. Let's see how deep this is. If you want to get deeper, here's your chance.
Okay.
I don't know how deep that is.
You know, I just want to kind of know how it feels for the narrows.
I'm going to stay high on this log. That gets fairly deep. How is it?
It gets cold when it gets up towards your knees.
I bet. I think we have arrived. This looks freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look how tall these walls are. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see this. Holy cow.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is so cool. This is super unique. You love it?
I love it.
Well, somebody's enjoying it. We made it to the first ladder. This should be interesting. Looks a little sketch. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is like the coolest thing ever. Oh my. Looks like that last little section is loose. I can see why people turn around here. All right, here we go. Not nerve-wracking at all. Yep. Oh my.
It's scary.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm really afraid to go back down.
Yeah. Holy cow. That's a good ways down. To grab onto that big one and on the wall. There you go. Can you step on the top of that little one? She made it. All right, my turn. This looks even sketchier than the first. See if I can do that. Where'd she go? Made it. Yep. I don't know where I'm going.
I might try.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Let's go a little further.
Okay. Holy crap. So what'd you think of those two ladders?
I should not use these words. I can't.
Use your words, honey.
Get out of my face.
It's got to be that close, otherwise I can't hear you.
That was super hard, like, and nerve-wracking, and I just had to like get it done because if I thought about it, I would not have been able to do it.
I totally
now all
agree.
I can think about is having to go back down it, and that's like harder.
I totally agree. I've gone up a lot of ladders being on the fire department for 12 years and nothing quite like that. That's totally sketchy. Very
Well, that
sketchy.
doesn't make me feel any better. I haven't been upstairs since we went canyoneering.
Oh yeah? Wow.
think I'm more scared. Only because we don't have somebody with us.
True. All right, get some well-deserved peaceful creek time after those 2 ladders. Oh my gosh. I'm sure to some people it's no big deal, but I'm not used to going up stuff like that. And it was slick. So it's basically like a metal I-beam that you're walking up. You definitely want to have something that has decent traction. We both have Vibram soles, Merrill shoes, and they work pretty good, but it was still slick. You really had to dig them in and kind of lean your body weight into them. But wow, craziness. Thankfully my knee's been holding up. Knock on wood. Here, knock on wood. But I didn't have too much trouble. Had one little spot coming up that second ladder where I second guessed using my right leg, an injured leg, to actually get up on the wood. So I found a way to use my good leg just in case. Probably would have been fine, but you know, it's still in my head. I gotta get that out of my head. This is awfully pretty up here though. Totally worth the effort. And like Lindsay was saying just a minute ago, if you pay your 12 bucks and just stop at that first ladder, it's still totally worth it. Even if you don't go up the ladder, get your picture next to it, enjoy the views. Absolutely worth the permit fee. Whoa, this is narrow. I wonder if this is the 3rd waterfall. I'll look where we are in all trails. Oh, it is, yeah. Okay, so good eye. So this area right here is the slide. And you can actually slide down in this little pool of water. I don't know if we're gonna do that today. If you want to, go for it. I don't feel like getting that wet. Just be careful. Is Lindsay gonna do it? I can't believe she's gonna do this. Oh, that's gotta be cold.
I don't want to go fast. I just want to go down.
I don't think you have a choice. Oh my gosh.
That was good.
That was awesome. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
That was so cool.
I might do it again.
Do it again?
Yeah.
I guess you really liked it. Oh, that looked cold.
You kind of jam your feet.
Yeah,
Like that time I feel like go for
you were moving on that one.
Okay.
So, feedback on the slide, how was it?
That was fun. I wasn't sure how deep it was. And it's like if it were deeper, then you wouldn't like jam your feet. But especially the second time when I didn't hold back, kind of like, you know, jam your feet a little bit. But I didn't want to put my feet up because then I didn't want to like hit my head.
Oh yeah.
It's hard to know what to do when there's nobody else doing it.
I think you did good.
Your turn.
No. I think I'm gonna skip it. I want to stay dry.
Oh yeah, this is like the fat man's misery thing or something.
Oh, Fat Man's Misery? It's a aptly named thing. Oh, this looks deep. Oh man, that's cold.
Not sure.
You okay? I think we found the 3rd waterfall, and I would say we're not going up that. Oh, this is beautiful. For us, I definitely don't see a way up that unless there's a hidden rope. All right, so not sure how much you're gonna hear of this. It's pretty loud, but there is another ladder, aka tree, and the water is racing down it, and I think this is gonna be the end of our path. So, Lindsay's done. I think I'm done. That's some fast, swift-moving water, and this is freaking awesome. This is so cool. Finally got her to kiss me on camera. All right, now to mentally prepare for going back down those ladders. Oh my, that's gonna be something else. Good job. I'm so glad you did this today.
Me too.
This is just awesome.
Well, we've only been here for a couple of days and we haven't done much, but this might be the top of the list.
Yeah, this is real high.
Put your hand on that rock that's by your leg, the rock, and then I just like lowered myself down. I only had to make like 3 steps and then I could reach the bottom with my left leg. Yep. Yep, you're almost there. And then I kind of put my body yeah, I was surprised at how quick it was.
Yeah, that really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, because it was just like a couple little close steps at the top and then I could reach my foot all the way down. And I totally inchwormed down it. Just a couple more. What'd you think?
Coming down's easier.
Yeah.
It's much harder to lift your weight up and not slide on the thing.
Yeah. I was just having trouble because I was, well, I had the camera in my shirt. And as I was inchworming down, the camera would sometimes get stuck on the rung. And then my shirt was also getting stuck. And I didn't want it to like straight up. I wasn't gonna let it go up. And anyway, that was awesome.
We made it.
It's much easier coming down, which is good to know. Or I think like very helpful because you're more worn out and stuff when you come back. So I would think that I'm more likely to make a mistake coming back. So to know that it's easier would be helpful to me. But anyway, this was awesome.
Well, that was quite the exciting day. Oh my, heart pounding in spots, beautiful scenery and others. It's just absolutely incredible.
Just a regular Tuesday.
Yeah, just a regular old Tuesday. Anyway, we hope you liked this video. If you liked it, be sure to give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Helps out the channel. And if you haven't yet done so, hit that subscribe button and that little bell to stay notified. And we'll catch you next time.
If you get a chance to do this hike, do it.
Yeah, don't miss out. It's awesome.
Can you jump?
I'm not going to get twist it. There is a little baby snake right there. Just hanging out on the side. Lindsay's snake door saw it. We're just going to let him be because I don't know my snakes. And I'm pretty sure Lindsay doesn't want me touching a snake.